Yo, I don't know if this is an update, if this is a tutorial or a up-tutorial, and I don't even know what that is, but what if I told you that you might not ever have to leave HubSpot again, and there's a new way to get notifications, that and more, coming up next. Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk. You know what time it is. I'm your boy George B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, and today there is an update for HubSpot, and that is in-app notifications, and it can be triggered through workflows, which is super crazy. Now, let me talk about why this is important. As sales, marketing, and service professionals, hey, we have things that we need to do, and sometimes we don't remember that we have those things that we need to do. And notifications are awesome because it keeps us in the process, that keeps us optimized, which gives us more time, and then we can golf more or spend time with our kids, whichever thing you like. Today in HubSpot, you can actually create a workflow that has those notifications. Here's the thing, what's really cool is anybody that has sales professional, marketing professional, or service professional gets this functionality. It's in all languages, and it's super easy to use. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We're going to hop in, hence why I said, is it an update? Is it a tutorial? Is it up-tutorial? That's not even a thing, people. Anyway, I keep talking about optimizing time, and what I'm talking about is historically, we would have a workflow that would send an email to a sales rep, a service rep, a marketer, telling them or letting them know something that needs to be done, and they would have to go out of HubSpot, see that message, then come back into HubSpot, do some more work. And now with this update, you can get notified right in HubSpot, meaning you skip that whole step of needing to go out and come back in, and you can just continue to get your work done. Hashtag GSD. So hey, let's quit fooling around and let me show you how you can do this in workflows, and let me show you where you get notified so that you can optimize your time and have more fun inside of HubSpot. All right, so as you can see, we are in HubSpot, and what we're gonna do first is go to automation, and we're gonna go to workflows, and I'm gonna show you a little workflow that I created. It's just called new workflow because it's only a test. Now there's a couple things you can do. I just created an enrollment trigger. First name is George, last name is Thomas. Oh, that might be this guy. I delayed it 2 minutes, and then I said, send this in-app notification. This is pretty cool, to George B. Thomas. Now, one thing I will let you know is that you can do a individual user in HubSpot, or you can notify an entire team. If I go ahead and hit this pencil, you're gonna see another amazing thing is that I can send this notification to a team or user. That's what I just said. Here's the other amazing thing. It doesn't have to just be in-app. It can also be a mobile push, and we can put our message right here. We get 130 characters. You can see that we have 110 characters left, and we can use personalization tokens inside of that 130 character message as well. Oh my gosh. It's so amazing. Now, you might not want to worry about the enrollment trigger and all that good stuff. Let me show you something else that you can do if you just want to test this notification. So you can also go in here, which by the way, I did because I got tired of waiting for the 2 minutes, and hit the enroll. You can select individual contacts or a list of contacts. Go ahead and enroll them. You'll be able to go to history and see that they've been enrolled. And finally, then you'll be able to see your notifications. That's what we've all been waiting for. We just want to see our notifications. Well, then let's dive back in and do that. And right up here, you're gonna see that there is a red 3. Yes, that's because I didn't enroll one, but I enrolled many, well, if 3 is many, into this workflow. If I click on that, you're gonna see your notifications. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. By the way, this is pretty cool. Anyway, that's the update. That's the tutorial. In-app notification or mobile notification in workflows. It's ridiculous. Hey, as always, I'm your boy George B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, saying make sure you use this, go out into the world, and of course do some happy HubSpotting.